Okay, so when I was still in Indonesia, I think that was last year, my wife bought me this variegated Ficus Triangularis. I hope I'm saying that right again. So I'm pretty excited with this one. This is going to be the first tree that I have that is not purely green in terms of leaves, and it's shaping up to be a very interesting tree already. It already has this one is a little bit too low. We're going to remove that, obviously. We're gonna have to dig deeper on this if we're gonna start working on this tree, but not now. I'm not work on this tree just yet, but I'm just showing you that this is shaping to be a very interesting tree. It already has a natural movement right here. There's a bend there. We already have a thick first branch right here, and we have a ton of branches to select from. So I'm not gonna work on this beautiful tree just yet. I'll just let it grow. Probably we'll start working on this December next year. Make it grow a lot longer, and there are already some branches that we could cut this one from here or here, and we already have developing branches over there, as you can see. If we would cut this one here, we already have this minor branch to develop from. Okay, lots of interesting potential from this tree, but the main trunk is still too small. It's not even my pinky size, my pinky finger in the size yet. So not yet, but I'm pretty excited with this boy right here. So that's that. I also have this tree which I posted already a few days ago. It's the molave or tugas that the dog knocked over. As you can see, this is where that huge chunk of branch came from. Oh. So we could develop this as a feature in the future. That's that. It used to be very long, but I pruned it down to this size now. Especially the major leaders, I cut them short to distribute the growth or the energy of the tree. I have smaller branches here that would be neglected if we would just let those leader grow. So we cut them down short. There's a lot of potential in this tree, even if that section of branches unfortunately those branches already have twists and all that, so we lost that already. There's a twist here, that's a good one. It's twisting. If you look at that, there's some natural movements, very nice. You would probably train this as I don't know, a branch, or maybe even the leader. You could probably have this as, I don't know yet, I don't know what to make of the tree, but there are a lot of potential in terms of structure, regardless if that thing happened on this tree. But we let the tree grow for 6 more months or 1 year before we get started working on it seriously.